Guys, so I wanted to kind of show you really quickly how I kind of work on my content for my business. So as you can see, I am using, well, let's go back home to the home page. I am using Canva. I am using Canva Pro. I really like Canva. What I like to do is choose different templates and things like that. So I can, when I'm ready to start creating, I can go straight to whatever template I want to go to. So what I want to work on for next week is target marketing and things like that. I actually created this really quickly right before I started this video. So what I'm going to do is show you how I did it. So the first thing is you want to go ahead and grab templates. The way to grab templates is you hit the plus button, and I'm doing all of this from my phone. You hit the plus button and everything for my phone is at the bottom, right? So whenever you want to do a template, it'll show you all the different templates that Canva has created for you. If you see Pro on it, that means that the only people that could use the Pro stock photos is people that actually pay for the monthly subscription. And I do. So these are really good ones. What I'm going to do is, let me show you what I do. So whenever I see something that I like, I actually just grab the template. And the reason I like using Pro, because a lot of people don't use the Pro. A lot of people, they use the free and they can't get the kind of cool graphics that's already made for you. You just have to make it your own. So that's basically what I do. So that's why you see I have about 15 different type posts that I can work on simultaneously in my downtime or whatever. So that's how I grab my actual template or whatever design I want to work with. The next thing I do is I make it my colors. So this right here is already pre-made with the font. You can always change your font here. They have a ton of fonts that you can use, free fonts, but they also have fonts that are pro. When you see the actual king symbol next to it, it means that it's a pro situation. So you can use any type of fonts you want. The next thing is the font size. You could change that if you want. So the great thing about this is it's already created for you. If you want to change it, you can change it. The colors for my brand, Expert Copywriter Chick or Copywriter Chick or Corporate Chick, whichever one you can remember, is I love this mustard yellow and this cobalt blue. Love, 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 love those colors. So that's the color that I'm going to use for this. Now, normally what I would do here is, I don't know if I really like this actual stock photo. So what I would do is actually, hold on. Sometimes you have to move things around on here, like this particular photo. I'm not sure why it's not allowing me to, there it goes, it allowing me to replace it. So whenever you hit replace, then you hit on photos, and I'm gonna go back to my recently used photos. Sometimes I'll just grab different photos to keep. So for this particular picture or post, I'm not sure if I want to talk about target marketing and niche and kind of getting to the person that you want to get to. Let's see. And you see all of these are pro. Here we go. This is pretty cool right here. Differentiated target marketing. I don't know if I want to do that. I want something simple that I can just kind of just use without having to do too much. Community interest, competitive analysis, integrated marketing communications. It has the same things around it. Let's see, guys. Hold on. But anyway, you get the drift. You can replace the photos on here. And it's absolutely free to use whenever you pay for the subscription. So there we go. This is kind of what I want to see. It instantly gives it a So everything I need is already on here. All I have to do now is create content around this. I'm going to go fast now. I already have my uploads here to remove this background because this looks very tacky with that white behind it. You can go to effects, remove background, and then you have your logo on here. My logo is here. I've gotten really good at this, guys, so it doesn't take me long to make flyers. Hold on. Sometimes when I mess up, I delete and start over. It's so easy. See? Gotta play with it sometimes and get it to exactly. See, I don't know why it's doing that, but I'm gonna keep removing that background. And then stick that there. This right here, we will let that stay here. And let me show you what I go to for, see right here, we're gonna make that. I'm promoting both of my brands. The online masterclass for the copywriter. Hold on, you got to make sure everything is spelled correctly. Sometimes, oh my God, when I post things and I don't check the spell check or something, it cringes my soul and I just delete it and I'm like, oh my God, I got to use it again another time. And this is basically a flyer that's created. I mean, it's really that simple. Of course, I'm going to change this content to something else. I actually have something called, let's do this because I'm not sure. It's called Notes. This is where I keep hashtags. This is where I keep a lot of different things to help me figure out what I want to say. Another resource that I use is Pinterest. So on Pinterest, this is where I grab, this is kind of like my vision board online. I'm moving fast and I know you're like, what in the world is she doing? But what I do is I collect content and then I dissect the content based on whatever I'm working on. Like this right here, I'm going to do a video on how I recreate this in my own words with the content or with the actual pictures and everything from Canva. But I come here and see, this is perfect. How to own your niche. So this is talking about target audience, target market. It's talking about optimizing your website, using your website. Let me show you guys my website. Your website is like your business card online. What you want to do is also, I haven't done my Google yet. I have to finish doing my Googling my business online. Here goes one of my other businesses, just so you know. Let me show you. TNG Insurance Agency. So as you can see, hold on. This is my business, and it is okay. So there's an ad here. Next probably has one of the biggest Google ads on Google, and then Hiscox, which is also another small business where you could get your small business liability insurance. And then we have a PNC person that is basically, I guess, trying to get people to recruit people. And then you have me right here, TNG Insurance Services. So when you Google your business, in order for your business to show up, even just on your phone, you have to list your business on Google. So I'm actually above the Nolan Group. But when you click on my website, here's everything you need. Everything you need. It's really cool. So anyway, back to what we were doing. We actually were going to Corporate Chicks. So this is my website and I need to do my Google. And here is the website. When you click on it, this is what comes up. It's pretty interactive. Here's the masterclass, the expert copywriting masterclass. If you need any type of information when you're doing your website, I'm gonna do this. This is gonna be a separate video. I'll do that video separate. However, with the digital marketing for the services, I have a specific site just for that. But we'll talk about all these different avenues and ways to market your business. Everything is online, so you have to be prepared. But anyway, I was showing you guys where I get content to get ideas when it comes to creating posts and things like that. So with that being said, Canva is one of my go-tos. It's super user-friendly. You could actually lay in the bed and create flyers all day. This is the flyer that we actually created. I think it's pretty cool. I'm gonna use some wording or whatever, and once I'm done using the wording that I want to use, I am going to download it as a PNG. You don't have to reinvent the wheel, but I'm going to do it as a PNG. Use the suggested because it looks really great for online content. And I'm going to make sure that I choose page 6, and I'll download it when I'm done. And I'll have a flyer in less than 11 minutes and 27 seconds. Pretty cool, huh?